Mabilis mabagal? Very good. Ang kuneho, mabilis mabagal? Kuneho? Mabilis. Okay. Ang kwento natin ay kinuwento ni Boots S.A. Pastor. Ang pamagat ay ang pagong at ang kuneho. Mamaya sumiyan natin. Okay. Isang umaga ay nagtipo ng mga hayop sa gubat. Ayan, lahat sila nag-uusap. Ano daw ginawa ng mga hayop? Nag-uusap. Good. Upang maghanap ng pagkain. Bakit daw sila nag-uusap, Jepsy? Yes. Dalian mo, pagong. Anang, sabi ng kuneho, lagi kang napag-iiwanan.
Nico and Rico are brothers and best friends. They share many things with each other, but they love to share ideas most often. Happy ideas, weird ideas, funny ideas, exciting ideas. Some ideas make them laugh. Some comfort them. There are jokes that get them talking for hours and hours, and those they puzzle of silence. So keep them at night. Others make for a very sweet dreams. I have an idea for a game.
Everybody ask me how we do it, say we good. Don't need no one to tell me how to.
Lakapang, lakapang.